Hi guys, Paul here from Muscle Car UK, just showing you what's just come back from California. 1966 high performance 302 Mustang Coupe. Absolute beautiful car in this stunning red, and it really does pop at you. And it's got these fabulous Shelby stripes which are painted on. They're not vinyl, they're painted in silver. And as you can see, the silver stripe goes all the way down through and out through the bottom. You've got here the registration number, so you've got the pub registration number for all you that frequent somewhere like that every now and then. It's a great number to have. But a beautiful car all the way round. It's sitting on the sort of American racing wheels. And I don't know if you can get a little bit closer here, Grant, but you can see that basically it's got these lovely little bullet, and I've never seen these before, the little bullet nuts to hold the wheel on. And if you can get in nice and close, you can also see the discs and the calipers in there. Really gorgeous, gorgeous, well set up car, this, really beautiful. Again, look how straight the panels are, and coming all the way through this. I mean, it's just beautiful colour red, really stunning, and the roof just looks beautiful. It really is in great shape all the way through this car. I love it, I love it. And of course, it's the very first of them. Good little story with this car. We were lucky enough to buy it. There's a big speed shop in California, and they were trying to get bids on this car because the money raised on this car goes to the Veterans Association in California, and lucky enough we won it. So this car's had a lot done by that speed shop to really make it, you know, top car. And then you'll see in the bonnet shortly what's gone on in there, because they really have spent some money on this car. It's really fabulous. I mean, the interior we'll have a look at shortly, but let's go and have a look underneath the bonnet, and I can explain what's been going on in there. Right, let's have a look underneath here. Now, a lot of work's been done under this. It really has. I mean, the first thing you'll notice when you have a look under the bonnet is the shock tower delete. Now, they've put the Mustang 2 front suspension on it, which really does add to the drivability of this car. It really handles extremely well, as you would imagine. So basically the shock absorbers has gone, and they really literally have built this into it, which is a fantastic little upgrade. I don't know if you can get in here, but you can see also the quality of what they've done. They've got some really beautifully little Shorty headers down here, these here, which are all jet coated, which are absolutely beautiful. And if we can get down into here, you can see the steering column going down to the rack and pinion, high quality power steering. You can see the power steering pump here, which is, you know, really good quality. Again, you've got disc brakes. You've got the servo disc brake set up here, which again helps braking, etc. And you do need to brake it, because good braking, because this is a 302 high performance engine. It's got Edelbrock performance intake, aluminium intake, along with the 4-barrel carb here. Again, flamethrower. That's easy for some to say, flamethrower distributor. So it's got the electronic distributor set up, again helping it more powerful, more reliability. A lovely little touch as well, it's got the modern air conditioning. So the summer days we have over here, or if you're going touring in it, you've got the modern air conditioning set up, which runs through into obviously the cockpit through the old type style. But you've got nice ice cold air, aluminium rad as well. So all in all, they've spent a lot of money in here, a great deal of money and time, just giving that car, you know, exceptional drivability. Again, underneath the car is rock solid, as you imagine, from a California car. So you've got no worries there, of course, with one of ours. It's sort of, you know, turn up and play, literally. But beautiful. Let's have a look at the interior and see what they've done in there. We're sitting in this cockpit. It is lovely. They've kept it very original, in fairness to them. Obviously, all new vinyl's been put all through the seats, new foams. You can feel it's had new foams. Headlining is all new. It's all been done very well. Sun visors are all new. Dashboard, no cracks or any excuses here. Obviously, got the 5 dials, being a 66. Got the lovely dials. These all look new. All this has been painted throughout here. This is the air conditioning, the vents here, and you've got vents either side. So it really is good. That air con, modern air con, it is like driving your car at home, I should imagine. These are the direction vents. Obviously it's automatic, which is great. And then the rest of it's sort of standard. The lights and windscreen wipers, all standard. Mirrors new. Just really is a lovely place to be in. You'll notice in the door shuts, it's all great in the door shuts over there, Grant. And the pillarless coupe works really well. New carpets. yeah, I think pretty much everything's new in this cockpit. So literally start, go, and off you go and have some fun in it. So let's have a quick look in the boot, because they've carpeted all in the boot as well, so that'd be quite nice for you to have a look at. So let's pop round to the boots and I'll show you inside there. Okay, well, looking at the back of it, and I was going to show you in the boot in a sec, but again, the stripe all painted in beautifully, all the way down, right down to the bottom edge, which is always nice to see, and all down here, it's really in great shape. Look at the size of these exhausts, you've got one either side, and you'll hear those in a minute. It sounds fantastic, but beautifully finished all the way through here. The bumper, that's all new, lights are all new. And this is really rare, that someone's gone to the trouble of carpeting the whole of the inside the boot. So it's lovely. So if you go out for one of those picnics, or you want to put your golf clubs in, there's plenty of room. Exactly. So finished lovely, beautiful car. Come and have a drive. It's not like driving an old car, it's more like driving a new one, or newer one, shall we say. But certainly worth your consideration. Hopefully we'll see you soon. And that's what they all sound like. That's that lovely, lovely burble that's got to it. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, you can have it as loud as you want or quiet as you want. So don't be too put off if it is too noisy. I know it sounds silly because most people love the big noise. But if you hear one of our cars that's too noisy, it's only a matter of changing exhaust pipes over to get it quieter or louder. But that really does sound lovely. That's what Mustang's all about, and this drive's gorgeous. Lovely power steering as well. Fantastic.